Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the X3 Mop. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're interested in getting this. How do you actually go ahead and use the X3 Mop? So first things first, you have the removable cloth fiber. So what you want to do is that you actually want to go ahead and make sure that these three pockets fit on each side of the actual mop. So this is probably, in my opinion, like the most tedious part, just because after every time I wash the cloth, I've got to do this. And so let's actually go ahead and make sure that it's snug like that. So it does bend a little to help you out. Just like that too. And the third one. So that side is now, this side needs to go in. So again, to me, this is the most tedious part of the whole mopping process. Like I'd actually rather mop than do this. But there you go. We now have the cloth attached within it. Now the next thing is that you want to get your X3 mop bucket, and we're going to press push, and we're going to go ahead and open this up. And so now we've got this here, and what we're going to do is that you have three chambers. Okay, you have the clean water, you have the filter, and then you have the dirty water. And the way to differentiate between different chambers is because of this. So this is going to be used to actually go ahead and leak out water. And so that's how you know this is the dirty chamber. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this up. And I usually go with like lukewarm water. And then I have mop soap or floor soap over here. So we're just going to put some inside, just a little like that. This is just for demonstration purposes. Honestly, I don't really plan on mopping the floor, but we're going to put a little inside and then fill it up as much as you want. Usually I go about like just a little bit above halfway. Halfway meaning like halfway fill with the bucket. So maybe like up to here. Now let's make sure that our plug hole is pushed in because you don't want water leaking out once you start draining the dirty water. Now let's go ahead and grab our top and let's make sure it goes, put it back on. And you want to make sure that the squares are securely in, because if you pull this up and handle it and it's like not fully in, then the top is going to actually come off. See, just like that. So make sure that's fully in. Both sides are good. And we have the bucket and secure. Now the next thing is that you have this knob here, and this knob is going to make it so that clean water enters the filter chamber. So you want to go ahead and twist it, and you're going to hear it leak. So right now you can see that it's pouring water into the middle chamber. So that's still clean water. And so what we're going to do now is that you want to go ahead and grab your mop, and we're simply just going to push it inside there. So I should go flip it the other way. There you go. And so what you're going to do is that you're going to move the broom or the mop up and down so that it excretes water. And so here we have, you can basically see that the entire mop is wet, which is what you wanted. And so with that, you can now go ahead and begin to mop. So mop a few areas. So once you're done mopping a section of your floor, same thing, you're going to push it down just like that, and you're going to move it up and down. You may need to twist this knob so that water enters the filter chamber again. But again, same thing, and then pull it out. And now let's go mop another side. But that's pretty much it, guys. So again, I'd say the hardest things are probably putting on the microfiber cloth, and then it's usually not this hard to actually put back in. Like it's usually pretty smooth, but that's pretty much it though as far as how to use your X3 mop. So I hope this cleared up a lot of questions that you guys might have. I really love this mop. Like I love how it separates the dirty water from the clean water, and it's got this filter chamber. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.